Looking for disposable vapes on the street.
Cleaning the collected vapes.
Here I spray alcohol on the vape bodies to clean off the dirt.
Collected vapes.
Here you can see four different types of disposable vapes.
Vape disassembly.
Now I carefully open the vape to take out the lithium battery. Opening the remaining vapes. This one was hard to open. This one was a bit hard to open. This battery was bad because it had swollen. Opening these vapes was much easier. This rechargeable vape was harder to open.
All recovered batteries. Battery value. Battery charging.
Here you can see the main features of the TP4056 charging module. Here is the wiring diagram for the TP4056 charging module.